So today I'm doing a review on this neck massager, and this is not just a neck massager, but it's good for your back, it's good for your feet. Like anywhere you have pain, you can just use this. And it reminds me of a bag for some reason. It looks like a backpack or something. Not really a backpack, but it reminds me of it. So here is the buttons. So we have the buttons here. This is the on, and this is the on, and this is the off button, and this is where all of the motions here and all of that. So I'm going to put it on for you guys so you can see. So if you have like back pain, neck pain, you can put it on your neck. And then you put it like this, and then you put your, that's why I tell you it reminds me of a bag. So you put your hands on this, and then you will press the start button, which is here. And then you can, I'm going to turn around. I wish I can zoom in so you guys could see. But you see, it's like basically massaging your back. And it feels like somebody's hands. So it's basically massaging my back, and it feels like an actual person. It feels like an actual person massaging my back. And if you want it to heat, like if you want to heat, so this like slow-mo. If you want it to work really slow on your back, you can do a slow-mo. And this is the heat one here. This is the button for the heat. So you're gonna see it turn red. So now it's red, and it's like bringing like a warmness to my back, and like I can feel like my bones are moving. I can feel like my bones are moving, like I normally have back pain. But this, oh my goodness. And if you want it to be a little quicker, like a faster mode, and if you want to move it to your back, you can also move it to your back. And it will massage your back for you. Anywhere, like anywhere you need it to be. Now, if you have problem with your legs, like pain on your legs, it's super easy to do. So, you have pain on your legs, on your knees, you just turn it on, press the on button, and it just massaging your knee for you, like what? It's like massaging my knee. And you can just sit there and just relax while it massages. on your knees. You just turn it on, press the on button, and it just massaging your knee for you. Like, what? It's like massaging my knee. And you can just sit there and just relax while it massages.